know if they're caught speeding in a section. Of course, a great time to drive by their pit crew as well. Take a look at their pit box where they're going to be pulling in for service here. We know at least a couple of times today, if not more, and then they'll get lined up back side by side, and we'll get ready to drop the green flag on the Window World 250.
Next time they come by, they'll be 2x2, as Brad Gilley said. They'll get the sign for 1 to go, and we'll turn them loose. A reminder, phase 1 of this race today will be 70 laps in stage 1.